Welcome. Today in front of me Oppo Reno 5 Lite, and I'll show you how to adjust notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first you should go to the notification bar, and right there on the right upper corner of your notification panel you will see the edit icon. Just tap there, and now as can you see you got here all the availables on your notification panel icons, and these icons you can add. Just to add these icons, press for a while to the icon for a few seconds and drag it here to this icon. If you want to just remove the icon, for example, by the same way, drag this icon to this down area. Also, if you want, you can just change the position of your icons here by the same way. Just press for a while to the icon and drag it where you want to change the icon position by this way. And I just now go back, and as can you see right now we got all the changes here with your icons. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.